once you register for any Veriforce PEC course at omegasafetytraining.com. It's essential to create an account on the Veriforce eLearning portal before showing up for your first class, as all testing for Veriforce PEC courses are completed utilizing the Veriforce digital testing system during your training event. It's easy to do. Start by going to veriforce1.com. You can find the link in the class prep instructions PDF of this email. Insert your email address and click Sign Up, and Veriforce will send you a verification email. Make sure you check your spam or junk mail folder if you don't get it. Once you open the verification email, you will need to click the account validation link and set the password for your Veriforce One account. Clicking to read both the license agreement and privacy policy will enable you to agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. You'll then be asked if you have a PEC ID number. If you've taken a course in the past, it's likely you already have one. If you're not quite sure, you can check and see by Googling PEC card lookup, clicking on the link for PEC training, and click on Trainee Lookup. Enter your details, and if you're in the system, it'll show your PEC number, which you can copy and paste in. However, if you're new to the system, simply click I don't have one, and you'll be assigned a PEC ID number. Follow the prompts to enter your employer, or if you can't find it, add it in and click Add Company. Enter your information, and then use your email and password to log in. Be sure to click to link your account to Veriforce One, and you'll be all set. The last step will be clicking here and entering the unique course key that your instructor will give you during your upcoming class. If you should run into any errors or complications during this setup process, please contact Veriforce Training Support directly at 844-848-5884 or trainingsupport@veriforce.com. That's it. Congratulations. You're on your way to getting certified and enhancing your skill set.